Customer has damaged the HDMI port on their NVIDIA GTX 1060 graphics card. We'll start by using hot air to remove the damaged part, and then switch over to the microscope view and prepare to install the replacement. Unfortunately, you cannot purchase this HDMI port for this model anywhere. So what do? What we have here is a brand new HDMI port for an Xbox One. It sits perfectly in the anchor points and all of the pins line up beautifully. Will it work? Let's solder it in and find out. Port is installed and fingers are crossed.